Hey, y'all don't be rough. Y'all love each other. Y'all don't need to play rough. See? Mom's getting involved. Mama don't like that. Y'all love each other. Yeah. Oh, there's Ember. Oh. There's Ember. And for those who don't know. Oh. What's wrong, Peter? Why are you so feisty this morning? Archie. We got Gollum there. You gotta love Gollum. Then we got Ember. So this lady right here is Buns and Spunky's mom. She is also, where's he at? His mom. His mom is here. And that's actually his niece. Oh, that was mean. That was mean. Wow, Archie. Alright. Boys will be boys. I guess. Well, the fog's got him doing something crazy.